I spent just $50 on AI tools to see if they could replace my full-time job. And what happened next honestly shocked me. I work full-time in a creative role, which means long hours, tight deadlines, and clients who always want one more revision. So I thought, what if AI could do my job faster and cheaper? My challenge was simple. Spend only $50 on AI tools and try to replace my daily workflow, from writing and design to video editing and communication. First up, writing. I used AI to create emails, blog posts, and even product descriptions. The result? Scary good. What used to take me hours now takes minutes. Next, design. I used Canva AI to make logos, social media ads, and thumbnails. Some looked better than my own work, and I'm not even mad. For video content, I used InVideo AI to turn scripts into full videos, complete with stock clips, voiceovers, and motion graphics. It felt like having a mini production team for $10. I even automated emails and client updates using ChatGPT with Zapier. I basically built a personal assistant without paying a salary. In 1 week, I replaced about 70% of my daily tasks using AI, all for less than the cost of a dinner date. But here's the catch. AI isn't perfect. It's fast, but it still needs a human touch, especially for creativity, emotion, and strategy. The real win is AI plus you, not AI instead of you. So, can $50 in AI replace your full-time job? Not completely, but it can make you 10x faster and way more efficient. And that's priceless. If you want more real-world AI experiments like this, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. Because next, I'm trying to run a business entirely with AI.